I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Park the Volvo V60 on a level surface and engage park or neutral with the handbrake applied. This ensures an accurate oil reading. Warm the engine by driving for about 10 minutes so oil circulates, then shut the engine off and wait exactly 10 minutes to allow oil to settle into the sump. Gather a 1.0 liter bottle of the correct spec engine oil, a funnel, and a clean rag before opening the hood so you can top up if needed without delay. Unlock the cabin and sit in the driver's seat with the ignition in accessory or run mode as directed by Volvo. Do not start the engine. Use the center display to access My Car or Settings, then find Service or Engine Oil Level Check and start the electronic measurement. The system will measure and display either liters or a level indicator. Do not move the vehicle during the electronic measurement and wait until the message confirms the check is complete. If the electronic reading reports low oil, open the filler cap and add oil slowly with a funnel in 0.5 liter increments, avoiding rapid pours that may trap air. After each 0.5 liter top-up, wait 30 seconds and then rerun the electronic oil level check from the center display to confirm progress. Repeat until the display shows the oil within the safe range. Do not overfill. Correct oil volume differences are commonly less than 1.0 liter, and if unsure, add no more than 0.5 liters, then recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.